Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Today we have something a little fun. We have, well, I should say a lot of fun. So we have a new diamond painting. So this is going to be so fun to do. This is from Outdoortide.com, and if you are interested in this, I have a 10% discount coupon code, which is Barbie G10, so I will leave that in the description box if you are interested. So let me see if I can get it open. Yeah, I'm struggling to get it open. That's okay. So this is supposed to be a partial diamond painting, which means that some of the canvas is for diamond painting and some of the canvas is a pre-printed picture. So isn't this pretty? Very, very pretty. This is called Flowers, Stars, and Moon. It is $5.39 on the, $5.32 on the website, and it is a 30 by 30 centimeter diamond painting. So very, very pretty. And on the side it has the symbols of which crystals to use, and these are, a lot of these are special ones that you don't get in a lot of diamond paintings. It is not that super plastic, but it is not cloth either, so I don't know what to call the background. It does have, I don't know if you can see it, it's got little sparklies in it, which is cool. You get that in a lot of diamond paintings on the backgrounds. And of course it has the plastic covering your diamond painting cloth, which you don't want to take off until you're working on it. And then when you do work on it, you only take a little bit of the paper off at a time for the area that you're working on. So let's check out what comes in the kit. And if you do nails, you probably collect these like I do. And that is your little tray to put your crystals on. And we use those a lot in doing nails too. And of course, you comes with the wax to put in your diamond painting pen. And this is your diamond painting pen. So it's only a single crystal pen, which is good if you're doing one at a time. If you're doing a full diamond painting that is just the background's filled, everything's filled, you might want to pick up somewhere one of those diamond painting pens that can pick up like 4 or 5 crystals at a time. So that's not needed with this one. This one should take pretty much no time. This might take me a day or an afternoon to do, which is all good with me because I do get distracted very easily. Now let's check out our diamonds that come with the kit. And you should have more than plenty. Usually these companies put 10 to 20% more crystals in them than what you actually need. Ooh, and I'm already loving this. Of course, they come with your number. This number is the same as a corresponding DMC thread number, which is pretty cool. It says, let's see, 449 is going to be your number 1, and that's number 1, and number 1's here. Sorry. 449-2, which is the number 2, and I'm sorry, these are not corresponding with the DMC numbers. Some do, some don't. So this is going to be corresponded to the actual item number. So if you ever lose your diamonds and you don't know which painting they go to, all you got to do is match this number to the item number. So anyway, number 3 is going to be this pretty pinkish purple. Number 4 is going to be this gorgeous, gorgeous blue. Number 5 is, these are like purple, but they're color shifting. Can you see the color shift? Anyway, Number 6 is going to be another special color, special shape, and it's going to be this beautiful blue teardrop. Well, I don't know. That's a horse eye is what they're called, that shape. I can't remember. Anyway, number 7 is going to be this gold orange. Number 8 is going to be this pink. And number 9 is again a green blue shift. So very cool. Now, of course, I will say that these are going to be plastic diamonds or resin diamonds. I can't remember what they call them, but I think these are like kind of like the plastic ones, and you're going to have that pretty much with any diamond painting. You don't get really super high quality diamonds because it's just going to be too expensive. Most are going to be plastic in almost every diamond painting you get, no matter what kit you get from what company. But these look like really good quality. I don't see any that are not usable. Sometimes you'll get them to where they're like 2 or 3 are stuck together, or they're misshapen or broken. I don't see that with any of these. These all look like they're in perfect condition, and the sparkle is absolutely there. Can you see the sparkle? So I am so far impressed. Now, let me see. I'm going to just cut this one just a tiny bit open and pop a couple out. Although I'm not really going to work on it too much. I might place 1 or 2 just to see how the sticky is. Just so you get an idea of the quality of the adhesive. So there's a couple. And so how you load your pen is you just take it and you take your pen. See, there's a hole inside of it. I don't know if you can see that. But you just take that hole and you fill it up with some of that wax and press it in, and you're ready to go. So I'm just going to, and then you pop it just like you would like a wax pen, and you just slide it like that, and you are ready to place that on your fabric. So 1, 2, 3. You see how easy these go on, and at first you can move them around a little bit so you can adjust them so they fit well into that area, that little circle, or whatever area you're putting on. So let's check and see. So yeah, they will slide around just a little bit, but the adhesive does seem to be good. These don't seem to be popping right back off. See, I can tap it and they're not going anywhere. But when you're finished with these, the best thing that you can actually do is to seal them. Now, this company does sell the sealer. You can also buy other sealers like Hobby Lobby or whatever. But the sealer I use, funny enough, I use Mod Podge mixed with water. And that has worked absolutely great for me for doing diamond painting. And I've done a lot of diamond painting in the past. So, but the Mod Podge has been I'm actually still on my first container of Mod Podge. And I've never had to buy another one. So anyway, you see how great, and this is going to be super sparkly because these are clear beads and not they're clear crystals. Some crystals that you get are solid colors, but these I got specifically because they're clear crystals, and I think it's just going to be gorgeous. So when you're done working on it, you just put your plastic back down until the next time you're ready to do it. So this is going to be a fantastic little kit, and I will definitely show you the end results, unless of course you want me to do a video of me actually doing this. project. And let me know in the comments if you want to see me actually do this diamond painting in a video. Otherwise, I will just do it on my own, and then I will show you the end results. So if you like this, you're interested in some diamond paintings, definitely check out Outdoortide Company. They have cross stitches. They have all kinds of stuff on their website. So really, if you go on the website, really check them out, look around to see what there is to be had, because you can't go wrong. This is awesome. I think this is going to be really pretty, and at the end I'm probably going to frame this one. So I hope you enjoyed, and until the next time, thumbs up, keep on crafting.